Welcome back to another village vlog. This is the most hilarious Christmas vlog ever, so watch till the end, you will enjoy it. So please like and share. So everybody's hand, we are on deck. It's just early morning, 25th of December 2025. So grandma cooking akidi, which she gonna use to prepare abacha in the evening. Hubby grilling meat, the kids running around. Oga Matthew on top of the tank because the tanker came to pour some more water to fill up the tank. So Oga Matthew checking if the tank is full or if it still need more water. Then hubby's brother, my brother-in-law, bringing charcoal, hot charcoal for hubby to make fire for the meat he is drying. Then my sister-in-law with the broom. Oh, why do I keep calling her my sister-in-law? My co-wife with the broom, sweeping and cleaning the house. You see, everybody were busy. Everybody's hand were on deck. Like, she was waiting for her turn to cook. Everybody got turn to cook. My own is to peel plantain and fry plantain for breakfast. Chummy washing dishes and smiling. Somi is here playing games on her mommy's phone. And who else? Then my paparazzi, Gigi, is the one doing the paparazzi. You will soon see her when she will take over peeling off the plantain. Yes, so here is Gigi, my camera woman, peeling yams, which are going to join together with the plantain so that it will go around. It will be enough for everybody because fried plantain and yam is one of our favorites. The oil is almost ready for frying. Grandma is done preparing her akidi, which she will use to prepare abacha in the evening. She will go get ready for church, and my co-wife has started frying chicken, which she gonna use to prepare Christmas stew. And my brother-in-law has taken over the grilling of the meat. Just take a moment and look at this meat. Just negodi one. Just negodi. The meat is meeting. Grandpa is here resting. Why Mona also here? Oh, let me see. Sorry, okay. Ndo. Mona is taking some rest because he had small accident. He scratched his elbow. Oga Matthew cleaning the cars. I will be dishing out the plantains for the kids. I'm not yet done frying the plantains and the yams, but I normally start giving the kids food whenever small batch is ready. I start with the kids. So that's what I was doing here. The stew is stewing, is almost ready. Then the plantain is plantain. I'm still frying the plantains. Then Chioma is eating her own breakfast already. She has worked a lot this morning, so she deserves it. Okay, let's go round again and see what others are doing. Grandpa enjoying his own breakfast. Where are the kids? The kids are still on the sand. Every blessed day, whenever they wake up, they go outside immediately on this sand. Like, I don't know. It's like they dream about the sand. They sleep with the sand in their mind. Every time they wake up, they go straight. Before brushing their teeth, before eating breakfast, they just go straight. I came out and called them that the food is ready. You people should come and eat. Oh, for where? These dude, they did not listen. They just want to be outside the sand. Okay, let's move on. Oh, the cars are shining, and hubby is under the coconut tree with his coconut head. stew is ready. Oh. Get your plate, oh, your spoon, oh, your fork, oh, with your chilled drink.
So I make it go the sense. Church. Hey, see our pinky mama. Can your grandma ever?
No. Can your mother-in-law ever?
Are they not possible now? Eh? Grandma of all nations. Nequia. With their grandma nede. Grandpa chopping life. Ogamat, you getting ready. The kids having fun.
Over here is Christmas white rice. It is almost done. We've washed it, so we are cooking it for the last time, waiting for the water to dry up. Please give this video a thumb up and share. So everybody has finished eating breakfast. Now it's time for activities for the kids because they were complaining about heat. They have been running around. So now we are going to do a balloon play. This is water balloon play. So we are going to fill in water in this container. This container is used to blow the balloon and is also used to fill water in the balloon. So it's 2 in 1. You can use it to blow up a balloon for your party. You can use it to fill water inside the balloon, or you can use it as a spray as well, spray bottle. So this is how you fill the water. Just get the balloon, open it and put it on the tip or on the mouth or the nozzle. Then you jack and you press. I first of all jack that thing on top of it. I didn't show it when I jacked it. Then you press, then the water will fill up just like so. Very easy to use, very practical. The kids loved it, they enjoyed it. So this is one of the plays you can also try out during summer or during warm season. If it's so hot, you can try this out. It will also make them to run around to exercise their body. You yourself as an adult can also enjoy this. It's not just for kids, it's for everybody. So I just basically fill the water in almost all the balloons because we need a lot of balloon for it to be fun. We don't just want to stop after a minute. No, we will run till 10 minutes till our feet couldn't run again. So we are filling the water. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, like and share the video. So the kids are getting curious. They want to help out as well. So grandpa waiting, hubby waiting, chummy waiting. Everybody's waiting because everybody wants to join. Oh my god. If you're still watching up to this extent, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming with us to this village because you have been here with us since day one, from traveling back to Nigeria to packing our loads to the village, traveling to the village, to all those beautiful vlogs. I appreciate you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Okay, Maya trying to fill the balloon by himself. I've been telling this dude no, stop, but he wants what he wants, and that's it. Clock it. Gigi showed her face, my camera woman. She wanted by all means to be on this camera to also follow and blow the balloon, but she does the job well, so she's not retiring soon. So now we are almost done. The balloon is almost ready, so we are doing the last batch now, and it looks like this after tying it and filling with the water, or after filling the water and tying it, it looks like this. So now we are ready, time to go. You see the way we do it, you just pick one, you start running after who you want to bust it on the person's body, you throw it on that person and you bust it, and you can pick another one just like that. It was fun, but please remember to pick the balloons after doing that because it's plastic. Plastic doesn't decay, it's not good for the environment. I make sure that once they are done playing, I picked all the balloons I could lay my eyes and hands on. It was fun.
Try it very well now.
Okay, Papi.
Busted. Busted.
Time to wash clothes. After playing, their clothes were full of mud, dirty, sand. So I had to wash it immediately. It's Christmas Day and I'm washing clothes because what? I miss washing clothes. Hey, who does that? Who washes clothes on a Christmas Day? Josephine does that. I miss washing clothes with hands. So
No wonder I know they hear on a voice again. I hear on a sit down on a Christmas day, on a Christmas afternoon. You know, now they enjoy you. Munachi, let me see your face. Hit at the moon. Okay.
Grandma is preparing ngo, which we're going to use some part of it to make abacha in the evening. I will show you the process from the beginning to the end soon. Just stay tuned in this channel because more are coming your way. Grandpa has gone to buy palm wine for us.
Grandpa jebatara anyị nkwụ ọcha. Grandpa no, bute nkwụ a ka anyị tesu ya ọnụ. Hey, mmanya akekwala eke o. Ngana agba nka ma ire ọkụ ọ gị. Pingy mama. Na gba ego mmanya. Ọta mmanya ka iwe.
Nne, ọ bụ obere obere ka a na-ata ya onye ọbụla biko. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Ebe a na-ebute Ọgọchukwu ebe a na-ebu
Christmas rice oh, you don set oh.
Correct.
Mommy turn azụ gị ma ya imebu before. Hey! Ogini na afia can your grandma ever?
And your mother-in-law ever?
Hey! Leg walk.
Mommy say yes. Okay, go on. How many minutes? It's 2 for 1.
Take it outside.
Where is it before?
It's stewing. The stew is stewing. Last. Now everybody go chop breakfast.
Now is evening, is abacha time. Come and eat abacha. Come and eat African salad. Mabukalundo Ibo. The abacha is abachayen. Grandma has made a delicious abacha for us. And before we could say Jack Robinson, Father Christmas came. Just like that.
Sammy, Santa Claus, pick it up, pick it up. It's Santa Claus. Woo, pick up your seat. Let it go. Santa Claus has gone. Don't scare Santa Claus. Oh my God, pick up your sweet. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Santa Claus has gone. Oh my God.
Is that a real Santa?
Yes. Jesus. Oh Jesus! Did you see Santa Claus? He's gone. Oh my God! That was so fast! Oh Jesus! We are looking for Santa. Oh my God! Santa was so fast. Oh! Where is Santa? Santa was so fast. Oh Jesus! Oh my God! Oh! Go and pick up your sweets. Go and pick up your sweets. Mona.
Come here.
Your mama is bathing.
Auntie, is bathing?
And the night has come, so we are narrating the story of how the Oyibo people, the Norwegian people, celebrate their own Christmas. We are narrating it to our family. Come and listen to my story. Oh.
This is a pool. Oh, thank you for making me princess.
I just feel princess like Christmas.
So this was how we spent our Christmas. After gisting, laughing, shouting, we went to bed. So I'll be ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching, for coming with us. Ngwano, bye.